Hi, I am healer Vijayanand from Priya Vijay Aku Center, and we have launched a workshop that is Guza therapy. So, what is Guza therapy? Guza therapy is the method to energize the internal organ through our foot. All our internal organs have their end point, that is end node at the foot. So, by using this Guza therapy, you can energize the internal organ. You might have a doubt that how the internal organ can be energized through our foot. I will explain this with a simple example. If someone fainted or if someone is feeling very cold, what usually we will do? We will rub their foot. After rubbing, they will get energized and they will get the relaxed feeling. So this you might have done to others, or this you might have heard before. So what is the reason behind this? Means all our organs have their end point at the foot. So by using this Guza therapy, you can energize the internal organ. So in this session, we will explain the location of the points, that is where the organ is located, which point the organ is located in our foot, and how to energize it. This therapy is more effective for shoulder pain, knee pain, body pain, and also other pain, headache related to migraine, sinus, and also to energize uterus, prostate, and other related organs also. And another main important function of this Guza therapy is this is mainly used to remove kidney stone and gallbladder stone, because these have the very good results while doing this. So while that is dealing the problem with one single therapy, if you know any other alternative therapy also, you can easily solve the problem by this use Guza therapy. So I kindly request everyone to participate in this session and get benefited. So in our session, we are giving this central government approved CTDS approved certificate, mark sheet, and a ID card. We are also providing a Guza handbook which contains all the point locations and also the medical protocol, that is how to energize the organ. All the 50 plus types of disorder, we have given the protocol in that. Along with this, we are also giving a Guza tool also. So after finishing this session, you can become a certified Guza therapist, and you yourself can able to do the Guza therapy to others. So if you have any doubts in this session, you can ask me, or you can call to me, or you can come to my place to solve the doubts. I am located in Chennai. So again, I am requesting everyone to participate in the session and get benefit.